purchase and sale, otherwise known as a P&S, incorporates and essentially replaces the original contract of purchase and includes any follow-up items from the home inspection, if any. The buyer and seller attorneys review the P&S and discuss with their respective clients, so you will have plenty of opportunity to review the P&S and ask any questions about it with your attorney. As a real estate agent, I'm not involved in formally reviewing the P&S. However, I do look at it to confirm if details related specifically to the transaction are included, for example, purchase price and dates, etc. I will coordinate obtaining signatures from either the buyer or seller, depending on who I'm working with. Buyers sign the P&S first, and similar to an offer to purchase, would need to provide the buyer agent with a copy of the deposit check. The P&S deposit amount is typically 5% of the agreed upon purchase price, but it will be specified in the P&S as well. You'll need to deliver the offer deposit check to the seller agent's office as soon as possible after you sign. I will provide instructions for you about that. If money is being submitted electronically, I'll also provide details. However, if you are wiring money from your bank account directly, please contact your attorney for specifics on that. Once you sign the P&S, you'll need to contact your bank to formally apply for a mortgage loan. I'll make sure the buyer's bank and buyer attorney receive a copy of the fully signed P&S. And once the bank has received the fully signed P&S, they typically make arrangements for an appraiser to visit the property at that point. Also, the P&S will specify how many visits you can have to the property prior to closing. This is mainly for buyers to take measurements for furniture, etc. So once the P&S is signed, most of the communication is going to be between the bank and the buyer as the bank processes the mortgage through the underwriting process. However, I will stay in touch.